Drum filter 5 km for 1 hour. 5000 liter for 1 hour. I show how work system. Turn left work pump and motor here. Right, only turn only drum. This service mode. Left and right this service mode. Middle this work automatically. When sensor level water work, open all system on around 10 seconds. Yes, and stop. This means when dirty water come to sensor and mesh dirty, sensor activate all system for 10 seconds. This mesh cleaner and all dirty water come this place and outside. Customer connect. Everything. Yeah, we have. We give a customer how connect this, and he connect very strong. This one more sensor. You see. Yes, and connect this one. All connect pump. And one more motor. Send to. This all okay. Thank you.